Hi friends, this is Ramkrishna Mishra here and I am going to present today on data science talk, a new paradigm for modern computing. Alright, so let's start here. So what are the topics I am going to cover in this video? What exactly the data science is there? What is the reason of popularity of the data science? Big data versus data science, and what is the process of data science? How the uh, data scientists are making their role in the process of data science, and what are the job opportunities available in the world? Basically, we need to understand about the data first before going to the data science. Basically, the data is what? It's just the raw material which is used as an alternative approach to make the decision uh, uh, on the basis of past data, right? So data is just about the raw material or fact which is available in the different sources, and science is what? It is just the systematic knowledge which is enabling us to making it in the systematic way. So as when we are combining these two word, data plus science, it doesn't mean that it is data science. So we need to define the data science in the proper way. So data science is one of the scientific methods where the data is being used for their analysis to integrate the knowledge from the different sources, and it's just the process of extracting the knowledge from the various source of data. And skills required to achieve in the data science is that persons need to be from programming to the design, and from mathematics to the storytelling. And basically the popularity of the data science is what? It's none and none, and it's interdisciplinary approach, right? So people from the different background and professionals who are working in the mathematics background, who are working in the statistics background, who are in computer scientists, who has the knowledge of business, software developers, machine learning engineers, everyone collectively working in the data science field. And that's why the it's making the more interesting to the people to join this group. We need to understand between the big data versus data science. Basically, big data is what? It's the high volume, high variety, and high velocity data. It's the combination of the structured as well as unstructured data, where the data is being generated by the different data sources. One of the best example is that the social media site like Facebook, Twitter, which are generating the large amount of data every day. So data scientist is doing what? Basically, they are applying the mathematical logic and through using the particular machine learning approach, and with the help of that, they are just giving one systematic approach, a scientific approach to probe the solvents to make the data for their support system. So this is the process of data science. Basically, the raw data is being collected from different sources of the data, and which is being processed. After that, after processing the data will be cleaned. Basically, cleaning is the one of the steps where the data is being processed as per the requirement of the system. And then after the cleaning the data set, we are exploring as per the data analysis, right? And analyzed data is being put it inside the model and algorithms. Then the report is being generated by the models. On the basis of this report, the data scientists are taking decisions. Okay, so one of the most question is coming, if in this process, what is the role of data scientist? Basically, the data scientist is that persons, yeah, one of the one of the key persons who is making the role in every steps of the process. So data scientist is the person who is asking the question, what kind of data need to be recorded or collected from the raw data sources. Let's say whether we are going to collect the human behaving data, whether biological data, whether it's finance data or internet data, medicine kind of data, sociology data, different varieties of data is available in the worldwide. Okay, once as per requirement of the domain, we are collecting the data from the sources, and those sources can be the emails, logs, medical records, survey, blood dons, etc. Okay, once the data got collected, data is being processed using the different kind of methods like the pipelines methods, web scraping, cleaning, munging, and so on. So after collecting the process, then data is being cleaned. Basically, whether any value is going to be missed or not, how the outliers will work there, what kind of debugging methods need to be applied. So these kind of things been made by the data scientist. If we'll talk about the job opportunities, the Glassdoor has given the full list of one of the top 50 best jobs in US, and the data scientist is the number one job, which is given the scores 4.8 and the job satisfaction rating 4.2, right? So it's still in the current till 2 days, the number of opening for the data scientist 4,524, and one of the highest paid job in the US. That's what the people from the different background, they are taking interest to learn more and more data science kind of works. So we can have the next talk on what kind of algorithm is being in the data science. So let's stop the discussions on till these slides, and the coming video I'll come with the data science algorithm which is being used by the data scientist. Alright guys, thank you so much to watching this video.